Hi everyone. VMB is specialized in data collection from monitoring solutions and IoT sensors, big data process, AI-based analysis and prediction, and data visualization in the form of dashboards and 3D. Let me walk through a project demo which was done with the VMB's data solution, TIM, and the visualization software, Renobit. This project was done for a factory to monitor and manage their operations efficiently. Once the system starts, we can see a factory complex in 3D. The event list on the bottom lists up all remarkable events taking place in the complex. Let's click one of the buildings. The 3D interior, including the indwelling machines and facilities, appear on the center. Critical KPIs such as unit per hour, operating rate of machines, and effective rate on the top, and visually intuitive graphs on the right of the screen. Also, with real-time location system, the solution shows the location of persons. The location is marked based on coordinates data received from the location tags. Click the CCTV button, then the locations of all the CCTVs are marked. Click one of the CCTVs, then CCTV footage is played. This is another factory project. The factory is manufacturing car tires. As already shown in the previous case, the factory is in 3D with locations of machines. By clicking a machine, the detailed information is displayed. Also, the locations of the yellow vehicles are shown in real time through the coordinates data and location tags. On the right side, there are important KPIs regarding operation and production. Click a CCTV to watch its footage. The facing dashboards shows operating status including availability of the production line, productivity, and inventory status of production plant. Without looking up to every item individually, you can intuitively and collectively monitor and understand what's going on in real time through the VMB solution. Any event, we can gain insights and make a better, more accurate, faster decision. Thanks for watching. We can make the best way.